Make a great choice today with the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, airbags, front knee, compass, clock, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, rear floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership.